Today we're breaking down the LaMelo Ball 2s. Just came out. Are they better than the 1s? Let's go. What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Zach here with Tamsters Kicks. We're breaking down the LaMelo Ball 2s. Fire shoe. Puma destroyed my box. Sent it in a bag, but that's okay. We just want the shoes. We're breaking them down today. If you guys have not seen a basketball shoe review, we're breaking down the traction, support, cushion, materials, all that good stuff. Ratings will be at the end of the video. Stick around for that. Leave a big like, guys, on the video. Trying to push this out to everyone. Hit that subscribe button too. We're getting so close to 1,000 subscribers. That's my goal. We're getting close. Hit that subscribe button for me. But we'll get into the shoes now. LaMelo Ball 2s. We just had the 1s come out not too long ago, and they're a pretty tough cop for most people. The 2s just came out, and I mean, this colorway, I don't know if people don't like it, but it was a very easy cop. It might even still be available, but sheesh, I think this colorway is fire. I always be going for the crazy colorways, but these are the 2s. So the MB02s just dropped this like fiery orange red color, pretty crazy, pretty nuts. I love it. They dropped at 130. They have a lot of actually changes from the first ones. I didn't expect that, and if I'm being honest, not my favorite shoe, but we'll break all that down today. Starting off with that traction system. The traction system stays pretty similar and has some of the rare aspects as well as the Puma logo out on there. And that traction pattern basically kind of feels the same as the first ones. It's that non-slip Puma rubber, little grooves in there, not too much dust pickup off the bat, pretty good. I liked how they played, non-slip, cutting, left to right, everything was pretty solid. Not very noticeable, nothing really stuck out, but just a solid outsole traction pattern. Cushion, you have a nitro foam infused midsole for some pretty nice responsiveness and comfort. That Puma nitro foam is nothing to mess with. I mean, if they can get this upper situation figured out, because I'm not a big fan of that, but that cushion on the Pumas is so nice, and on the 1s, it has broken in so well. I love it. I love how it plays, and I mean, cutting, responsiveness, comfort, everything you could ask for in a cushion system, it is there. So if they can get a little bit more of these other tech specs right, I think Puma could really hit it off with this LaMelo Ball line, and cushion on these, fire. Materials, you have a disruptive upper construction that is made of a woven mesh and mixed materials. So an interesting change comes at the materials. They have kind of added it feels like the same netted cushion or netted material on this upper, but then it's kind of covered by this like plastic coating, I guess you could say, covering around the shoe. So it is a little bit, it feels a little lighter, feels a little more breathable, you could say, but specifically, I don't really like it. I don't like that plasticky feel on hoop shoes. I'm trying to think of some other shoes that, I think the Zion 1s kind of had a little bit of that to it, and I mean, it just feels cheaper, and for me personally, I don't feel as locked in, I don't feel as comfortable in the shoe, I don't feel as protected really moving side to side, so not my favorite transition. I do love the pattern and design they can do, which is why I think they did it, because I think it's just an easier way to make like different colors, different patterns, designs, because it is a like printed plastic material. So that's all I gotta say about the materials. Fit, definitely true to size. You probably don't need to go up, even a wide foot. I'm trying to think if I went up. Did I say true? Yeah. So I mean, with a wide foot, you guys probably know if you see some of my videos, I always go up a half size in most shoes. Not in Pumas, not in the 1s, and I didn't in the 2s, and they feel just as good. Stay true to size, not a bunch of dead space, they'll be pretty good. Form strip on the lateral side helps with the support. You also have that TPU heel back here with little LaMelo Ball wings tattoo here, keeping you locked in there. Support's pretty good. I do feel like they're a little more of a high top, a little higher than the 1s. But it does just look like a shoe that blends all together, which I do like that. It's not very concrete like traction, cushion, midsole, upper, lacing system. Like it's all kind of just blends together, which I do like and appreciate about that. The tongue, I don't think I talked about that, but the tongue is very similar, lightweight. It kind of changes from a tighter knit woven material to a much more breathable, like kind of old school, like mesh short material on the bottom part of the tongue, which kind of helps here keep you locked in. You have to tie it a little tighter, I would say here, but overall they're pretty good in all areas of the shoe. So traction, we're going with an 8.5. I like how they feel. There's nothing crazy about them. They're very similar to the ones which I thought as you broke in the shoe, they played well. Not a bunch of dust collection, so I love that. And then also the cushion, 8.5, because I really do like the cushion. I could even say a 9 almost, but that combination there with the cushion, traction pattern makes for a very good, lightweight, responsive outsole. Materials, not my favorite, 7.5. They could have done a lot better, I think. I mean, I really liked that material on the ones. I thought it was nice to play in. I thought it kept you locked in. Maybe just a little bit of different stuff with like that TPU heel cage, maybe add some different lockdown aspects to it, but I think they just didn't need to change the upper, which they did, so I don't like that very much. Fit, we're going 8 out of 10. They're pretty solid, true to size. Nothing to really say about the fit because they fit pretty nice. Just go get your true to size if you're trying to get these. Then also support, I would say an 8 out of 10. They're pretty solid for a mid, low, high top shoe combination. They're nice. If I'm being honest, the ones to me are a better shoe. I like the ones better. I liked how they played. Maybe I would just need to play in these longer, but it really is that upper that kills it for me. It doesn't feel as nice moving side to side, exploding off the cut, left to right movement, stuff like that. So that's where I would say get the ones if you're really hardcore about it, but overall from 130, they were almost identical to the ones. So you can't go too wrong with them. That's it for the video today, guys. Thanks for the support. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video today, checking these bad boys out. LaMelo Ball and Puma's latest shoe. We'll see you guys on the next one.